Okay, I had a quick request for how to locate contacts or accounts when you are adding information to them or trying to get information from them, like phone numbers and names and things like that. So when you sign in, this is the home page. There is a search button at the top. I want to make sure that the down arrow says all, and I'm going to search for, we're going to use Troy Cooper because I added him the other day, and if I knew his name, I put it in there. If I don't, I'm gonna go, oh, I need to look for the people that work for Zootah, and it'll pull up the contacts and the accounts. Let's say I want to find Troy's contact information. I click on his name, and you can see that I'm in contacts. It'll put me on the contacts tab. We talked about this. It goes under my name since this sign-in information is assigned to me, but that we can ignore that because that doesn't necessarily mean that it belongs to me. Phone numbers here, cell phone if you've got it. This is where you get the information. You can scroll down and there's more information at the bottom. If you talk to them, you're going to want to make notes in here, and that is going to be here somewhere. Hang on a second. That's in the description. Anything you put in here, you just need to click edit, and that goes for any field. If we don't have a phone number and you get a phone number, be sure to add it in here if you find out what their birth date is. And edit the description, and we are going to ask that we put the most recent information on top. So if yesterday I made some notes down here, and please put the date in, we'll just say I made some notes, and if today I make some more notes, I'm going to go and put 427 up here. And I'm also going to put my initials. So yesterday I did this, so my initials should be here. And today do this. So the most recent always on top with the date and initials. This goes for accounts as well. You go into the description. Excuse me. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to hit save. Thanks.